got a recipe for you, a delicious sponge cake with Carpathian cream jelly and fruit. You'll find the exact ingredients list in the video description. New viewers, please subscribe to my channel. First, we'll beat egg whites with sugar. Use 4 egg whites and 2/3 cup sugar. Add sugar gradually, waiting between each addition. You can use spoonfuls. To avoid adding too much at once, slow the mixer. Add yolks, then flour mixed with baking powder and cocoa. Mix on low speed. Pour into a lined 25 by 35 centimeters baking tray. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Mix thoroughly, wait until it boils and thickens. Set the cream aside to cool. Meanwhile, dissolve 3 strawberry jellies, or any flavor, in a liter of water and let it cool. Next, return to the pudding mixture. In a bowl, beat 200 g of room temperature butter. Add the cooled pudding gradually, ensuring both are at the same temperature to prevent curdling. Add spoon by spoon, mixing until combined. Soak the sponge cake with lemon water. Spread the Carpathian cream and refrigerate for 15-30 minutes. Once the jelly cools, add 300 g of fresh or frozen fruit. Remember, frozen fruit sets faster. When the jelly starts to set and the custard cream is cool, combine them. Spread evenly and refrigerate overnight. The cake is now ready, looking beautiful and tasting delicious. I highly recommend you try making it.